Hello, good morning. So I will explain the project given by Eterna Labs in our college here. So first of all, the company asked for filtering the data by 1 hour, 24 hour or 7 day by in volume changes. So we added the feature here, right? And another feature the company asked was to sort it by different attributes such as price, market cap, liquidity, volume, etc. Right? So we have added all the attributes here, and we can do more changes whatever the company can ask. I mean, we can change anything, right? So I will show you with volume. If I click on volume one, so it sorted with respect to volume, with respect to liquidity, and with respect to price and market cap. All right. So this feature is added, right? And now another feature the company asked was to add pagination. So here we added pagination. When you click on load more, it will generate load. It will generate more data, right? So here you can see it is working, right? Pagination is working in here. And now I will show you the changes, real-time changes here. As it is really difficult to see in front end, I will show you the logs where the data is changing in real time and it is checking in real time. Okay, so the next part, in the next part I will show you the changes and I will explain the backend. As it is really difficult to see changes in front end, I will show you. See, this is where emitting two price updates and is checking in every I have actually changed it to 2 seconds, but it is generally 5 seconds in my project. All right, so you can see that it is checking in every 2 seconds, and if any changes is there, so emitting changes log will come and it will update the front end. As it is really less changing, the data is really less changing, so in front end it is really difficult to see here, but in backend we can see where the changes are happening. All right, so this is what in this video I was going to say. Now for the backend part, I will show you what my backend is doing. So you can see that like in every 5 seconds it is updating, re-verifying the data which we are getting, that it is updated or not, right? If it is updated, then we emit the change. Only the change is emitted, right? Only the change is emitted into our front end, and the front end shows the change in our data. Only the change, not all the data, but only the change is emitted, right? And in our backend you can see that we have implemented Redis for cache and all, and also we have used socket.io. Also we have used socket.io for real-time updates. As our see here, you can clearly see, I will see here, you can clearly see emitting one price updates. uh, any change in the update, any change in the data will emit the price updates, emit the change, and it will show in the front end. Okay, so here I also used logs to show backend, so that we can clearly see what is happening in the backend. All right, also we have used socket.io for the real-time changes, and the main thing is here we have used 5 second time. For 5 second, it will check in every 5 second that the change update, the data is updated or not, right? So we can make it less, but it will not support due to our API rate limit. All right, so that's why we have to use 5 second. If we do 2 or 3, so API rate limit will hit and the backend will collapse, and after some time the backend will start working, but uh, the API will not return something for some time. All right, so this is my project. As asked by the company, I have completed all the uh, features, requirements, and all. So also I have uploaded it, deployed it on Vercel and Render, and GitHub link is provided in the form. All right. So thanks for watching this.